Hey friends, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina. I am thrilled to be here with you today to go over the installation of the Chicco Fit360. Now we've done this installation before, but we have the brand new base. The lever lock has had a running change where it is a little bit better than before. We're going to talk about that real quickly. But because we're doing a series of installation videos for some rotating car seats, there are some things I want to point out about this install. So we'll go ahead and hook up our top tether. That's going to be with any of these seats that do the 360, and any convertible seat really. You always want to make sure that you hook up your top tether. I'm going to tighten it slightly but not go crazy. Okay, so what is special about the Chicco is going to be that when the seat is installed, there isn't like this variation of recline. There's only one recline level that you do and you set prior to installation. Now, if this seat were more of a sports car, it might be set like that, with this at a little bit more of an angle. If that were the case, this lever right here that reads pull to level, when you pull on that, that engages a foot on the front, and you can see the level bubble has actually shifted here in this vehicle. So this would not be a correct install for this car. We would want it to sit as correctly as possible and pressed up to the seat back. So that's what we're doing. We've hit the level. I'm gonna go ahead and open the level lock. The old version of this was yellow, so it would like entice kids to push it and play with it, and you could kind of get your hand up underneath. They have changed this and how this works, so this is more cumbersome to open. That is intentional. That's good. We don't want kiddos being able to open it with their feet. So I'm glad that they have addressed that. That seems to be a nice running change. You'll go ahead and you'll hit the seatbelt. I'm doing a seatbelt installation with this. You could do lower anchors, but you would then have to change that over down the road. And my preference with this guy is just to do a seatbelt, because you go ahead and you lock it, and now this you don't need to lock off. This is a true belt lock off, which is different than most of, actually almost every single other rotational seat. So that's a really nice feature. We don't have to worry about locking that off. You see it did change the bubble level slightly, but we're gonna go ahead and pull on that, make sure it's not moving more than an inch from its installation point. We would tighten our top tether, and then I'm gonna go grab the seat and set it on here. So, exciting features regarding the seat are gonna be, it drops in incredibly easily compared to some of the other ones. And then you just go ahead and engage the yellow handle and turn it. Now, as you can see, there's no adjustable recline at this point in rear facing. And if I were to spin the seat forward facing, there's no recline that way either. So let's go ahead and take our tape measure and we'll get a measurement of it in its rear facing mode, because everybody likes to know how deep they go. This one also is gonna be 31.5 inches deep, and there isn't any opportunity to make that more upright. And as you can see, if you were to lengthen the shoulder harness on this guy and raise the headpiece up, you would need additional clearance as well. So something to keep in mind with your Chicco Fit360, there is no adjustable recline other than on the base. The seat itself does not recline while it's installed. Okay, if you have questions or comments, leave them below. Like, follow, subscribe. If you want to share this video, share it with someone, and head over to my website, destinationbabykids.com. We would love to see you. We have all kinds of cool stuff and lots of cool car seat stuff. All right, thanks for watching. See us in our next video.